Hi, OFA families, and hello, Panda students. It's Miss Victoria here, and today for my YouTube video, I have a very special guest. This is my little brother, Riker. Tell him hi.
Hi.
You can say hi, Pandas.
Hi, Pandas.
That's the name of my students. So today, me and my brother are going to do a science experiment. And we're going to do the cloud and jar experiment from our curriculum for this week. So here we have our materials. What do you see in here?
Water.
That's right. So we have some water. What about this?
Water.
Yeah, more water. This is what we're going to use to make rain. Then we have, what do you think this is?
Food coloring.
That's right. Yeah, so we have some food coloring. And then, do you know what this is?
Shaving cream.
That's right, shaving cream. Okay. So first let's talk a little bit about clouds, Riker. What do you know about clouds? There's no wrong answer. Just tell me whatever you know about clouds.
I know nothing about clouds.
You know nothing about clouds? Where are the clouds? Where do they exist?
In the sky.
In the sky, that's right. And what happens sometimes? What comes from clouds sometimes?
Rain.
Yeah, sometimes it rains, right? Does anything else ever come from clouds? It's cold sometimes, but this never happens in Texas.
Snow.
Snow, that's right. So today we're going to make a little cloud in our jar, and we're going to watch the rain. So this water is what we're going to use to make the rain. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is make our rain. So do you want to drop some blue food coloring into this one?
Yes.
You can squeeze it in there. Ooh. A little bit more? A little bit more? Okay. That's good. And then do you want to swirl it around with this? Just mix it up. All right. You can just leave that in there for now. Okay. Thank you for making the rain. So now we're going to make our cloud. That's what the shaving cream is for. So do you want to squeeze this in here?
Yeah.
Don't go too crazy with it. Squeeze a little bit in here, okay? You press down on the top. So hold it. Or maybe I hold it and then you squeeze. Hard, hard, hard. You can't get it. Oh my goodness. Is it hard?
Yeah.
Yeah? One more try and then maybe I can do it. Ooh. Okay, I'll do it. Good try though. There we go. Alright, so we're going to make our big old cloud. Does it look like a cloud?
No.
Well, we're going to have to use a little bit of imagination, I guess. Okay. So, where do you think rain comes from, Riker?
Clouds.
Right, but where do you think it is? Do you think it's just
The sky.
in the sky? So do you think the rain is in the sky and then it comes into the clouds and then it leaves the cloud? Or do you think rain is always just in the clouds and sometimes they let it out?
Rain is just always in the clouds and sometimes they just let it out.
So that's a pretty good answer, and it's kind of a mix of both. There's water, there's moisture in the air, and clouds are basically moisture in the air. So there's water in the air, and the clouds suck it up, and they get bigger and bigger, and they get heavy and oversaturated with water. That means there's too much water, and that's when we get rain. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yeah. All right, you ready to make some rain?
Yes.
Okay, so before we do the experiment, we got to make some predictions. So I'm going to get your predictions. What do you think is going to happen when we put the food coloring onto the shaving cream? Our rain. What do you think will happen when we fill our cloud up with rain?
The cloud's gonna turn blue.
You think the cloud will turn blue? Okay, I'm going to write it down. We're going to test our predictions with our experiment because that's what good scientists do. Anything else you think will happen?
The cloud, the rain is going to drop from the cloud.
The rain's going to drop from the cloud.
Because there is a lot of water.
That's a good guess. So rain will drop from the cloud because there's too much, right?
Yes.
Okay. Anything else? Or are you ready to test our predictions?
I going to test our predictions.
Okay, so we're going to make our observations once we do it. Okay, so I'm going to fill up our dropper. All right, so we got some rain. So then I want you to take this and squeeze it onto the cloud, okay?
Okay.
Oh, all right, yeah. What's happening so far? What can you see? Let's pause.
Okay.
Let's pause. What do you see happening so far?
The cloud is turning blue a little bit.
The cloud is turning blue. Is that something that you wrote down?
Yes.
Now what's happening? Is anything new happening?
The cup is kind of turning blue too.
Yeah. You see these blue pieces coming down?
Yes.
Let's do some more, okay? What do you think will happen when we put more?
There's going to be more blue in the cup and the cloud will be more blue.
Yeah. So you think it'll rain more?
Yes.
Basically. Remember? Because the blue is our rain. Okay. You want to do it?
Yes.
Let's put it on a different spot than our other one.
Put it right here.
Yeah. Let's see what happens. Has anything changed?
Yes.
Yeah? What's changed?
The cloud has more blue in it and there's more rain dropping underneath it.
Why do you think there's more rain dropping from underneath the cloud?
Because we put more water in there.
Yeah, so it's filling up more, right?
Yes.
You want to do it again?
Yes.
Okay. Ready? You can grab it.
Okay.
Okay. Let her rip.
Ah.
Squeeze!
Ah.
Uh-oh. Alright, I'm going to put a lot in there. You ready for this?
Yes.
Oh, our cloud is too thick. It's spilling.
Oh my goodness.
I don't know if we can get any more rain. Maybe our... Oh, look, it's kind of coming down on the bottom. Can you see below?
Yes, there's a big mess.
I know, there is a big mess, but we can clean it up. That's okay. Okay, so I think we're pretty good. I don't know if we can put any more in there without making a huge mess, but... So what have you learned about clouds today, Riker? You want to do this side? It looks like ice cream kind of, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. One more. I'll let you do one more. All right, put it in there. Do you see more rain coming down?
Yes.
So what have you learned about clouds?
If there's too much water in the cloud, then the cloud will drop the water.
And make rain?
Yes.
So what are clouds made of? Are they made of cotton candy?
No.
Are they made of ice cream?
No.
Are they made of shaving cream?
No.
What are they made of?
Water.
Water! That's good. Thank you for helping me. You give me a high five. Hope you had fun. Thanks for doing the experiment with me. Bye, pandas. I hope you guys get to do this experiment at home. We had fun. It was a little bit messy, so be careful. But I thought it was fun.
Yeah.
Can you say bye?
Bye.
Bye. I hope you have a great weekend.